Hello kids, good morning everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Kiran ma'am. Kids, you all already have learned about the different types of transportation. Yes, there are three types of transportation: air, water, and land. So, before starting today's topic, let's sing one rhyme. Red light, what do you say? I say, stop, 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 right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say, wait, right away. Green light, what do you say? I say, go, right away. So now kids, tell me which rhyme it is? Yes, traffic signal lights. And where do you see it? Yes, जब भी आप अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ घूमने जाते हो तभी आप रोड के कॉर्नर्स पे देखते हो ना ट्रैफिक सिग्नल लाइट्स. Yes. So kids, today we are going to learn about the road safety rules and regulations. Let's see some basic road safety rules and regulations. Know your signals. Kids, do you know there are signals on all four crossroads? In each signal, there are three lights: red, yellow, and green. Red means to stop, yellow means to wait, and green means to go. Always walk on the footpath. Kids, we have to use the sidewalk while walking on the road. बच्चों, जब भी हम हमारे बड़ों के साथ कहीं पे जाते हैं वॉक करते करते तो हमको रोड के साइड पे जो फुटपाथ बना हुआ होता है वहीं से वॉक करके जाना चाहिए. हमको रोड पे वॉक करना नहीं चाहिए, वो हमारे लिए सेफ नहीं है. सो ऑलवेज वॉक ऑन द फुटपाथ. Cross the road at a zebra crossing only. Kids, we have to use zebra crossing while crossing the road. And you all have to hold the hands of your elders and then only you are supposed to cross the road. You are not supposed to cross the road alone. आपको जब भी रोड क्रॉस करना है तो अपने बड़ों का हाथ पकड़कर क्रॉस करना है. And kids, while crossing the road, what you have to do the first? You have to look to your left side and then right side. If any vehicles are not coming, then you have to hold your elder's hand and cross the road. And if any vehicles are coming, you are not supposed to cross the road because it is not safe for us. Do not run behind a vehicle. Kids, you don't have to run behind a vehicle, otherwise you may get hurt. बच्चों, आपको कभी भी कोई भी गाड़ी के पीछे नहीं दौड़ना है. अगर आप दौड़ते हो और अचानक से गाड़ी रुक जाएगी तो क्या होगा? एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा ना और आपको लग जाएगा. तो आपको कभी भी गाड़ी के पीछे नहीं दौड़ना है. Do not hide behind vehicles. If you are going for playing with your friends in your society, so you don't have to play near any vehicles. आपको कोई भी गाड़ी या व्हीकल्स के पीछे या साइड में छुप के नहीं खेलना है, वो हमारे लिए सेफ नहीं है. Do not play on the road. As you all know very well, many vehicles pass through the road. So, in this picture, kids are playing on the road. It is not safe to play on the road. For playing, you all have to go on a playground with your friends. आपको खेलने के लिए आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ कहाँ जाना चाहिए? प्लेग्राउंड पे, क्योंकि रोड पे खेलना सेफ नहीं है। वेयर अ सीट बेल्ट while traveling in a car. Kids, today you all have to give me a promise that you will wear a seat belt while traveling in a car with your parents. And you also have to check that everyone sitting in a car is wearing a seat belt or not. If not, then you have to tell them to wear a seat belt because it is very safe thing for all of us. सो जब भी कार में जाते हो घूमने तो आपको सीट बेल्ट पहनना है। Do not stick your head or hand out of a moving vehicle. Kids, you don't have to put your hands or face out of a moving vehicle. जब भी आप कहीं भी जाते हो तो आपको चलती गाड़ी में से अपना हाथ या मुंह खिड़की के बाहर नहीं निकालना है। अगर आप निकालते हो और कोई व्हीकल पीछे से स्पीड में आता है तो एक्सीडेंट हो जाएगा। यस, तो आपको कभी भी खिड़की में से चलती गाड़ी में अपना हाथ या मुंह बाहर नहीं निकालना है। स्टैंड इन अ क्यू. Kids, if you are going to school by van or bus, then you always have to remember that you have to stand in a queue while boarding and alighting the van or bus. And always get off the curb side when getting off the van or bus. And one more thing, that you don't have to stand or walk in a moving vehicle. So kids, now you all are aware about the safety rules and regulation followed on road. So now I will give you one worksheet for the same. In this worksheet, you have to tick the safety rules to be followed on the road. In first picture, kids are putting their hands and head outside the moving car. Are these kids following the safety rules? No. So we will not put tick in this box. In second picture, the girl is walking on the footpath. Is the girl is following the safety rules? Yes. So we will put tick in this box. So now kids, you have to finish this worksheet by yourself in the same manner. I hope kids, you all have learned thoroughly the road safety rules and regulations through this video. So kids, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.